I am a DLA police officer, and my mission is to protect DLA, our employees, and our community. It's just something I've always loved and just always something I wanted to do. Police Week is to show the officers who have paid the ultimate sacrifice to remember them and honor their family and their remembrance.
I've been a police officer about 22 years in total. We're here to serve. You understand a lot of responsibility comes with that. Sometimes you have to make the ultimate sacrifice, and many of our brothers and sisters have, for this uniform here. So I don't take it lightly, I take it with pride. When I put this uniform on, I know I'm representing something bigger than myself, and I try to never forget that, even after 20 plus years.
My name is Officer Bernadette Sipple with the DLA Police. My grandfather and my father were both police officers. My father was with the city of Richmond, and my grandfather was with the state police. I think being a police officer is an honor. National Police Week to me means honoring those who have come before us and served and have given their life in the line of duty, and for those that are currently serving, and just honoring those.